Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on FET. The FETCH.AI chart is still in a local uptrend from the 7th of April low. And after the price broke above our trend line, obviously the uptrend kind of got confirmed, especially after the price retested this trend line from above. And we pushed and then broke above this previous high that formed on Sunday, the 13th of April. And since then, the market has just been in this amazing uptrend. It's quite an aggressive one, more aggressive than anything that we've had, I would say, from the March or since the March high. So what I'm showing you here is the pathway to $6.20. Of course, is it a guarantee that we get there? No, it's not a guarantee. However, the focus remains on higher prices as long as the price is holding above relevant support levels. And I will tell you about these support levels in a minute on the smaller time frame. I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about upside targets and the structure of this rally. So if the thesis is, and that's currently the idea, it's not high confidence, but because the yellow scenario is also plausible, but you know, if the thesis is that in the white scenario, a fourth wave bottomed on the 7th of April, then we're likely now in a fifth wave up towards $6.20 plus. And that would likely be an ABC structure. And I talked about the reason for that in previous videos in much detail. So no need to do that today, but basically we're in a diagonal pattern. And the ABC structure itself that you see there can subdivide in different ways. For example, the A wave here could be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. Most A waves are 3-wave patterns, so I would expect it to be that, just based on probabilities. And on the smaller time frame, also this A wave here could be a 5-wave move, but at the moment, it is a 3-wave move. So that's what we're tracking here on this chart in the fifth wave to the upside. Looking at the shorter time frame then for FET, you can see it in a little bit more detail. What I'm tracking here on the smaller time frame is just basically the idea of how this could develop, you know. And an A wave can be 5 waves, so that's what I'm tracking in the white scenario on the shorter time frame. Or it could be a 3-wave move. That's what the yellow scenario shows. In both of them, we haven't confirmed any top. So in yesterday's update, I shared with you that as long as the market holds above this nano support area, micro support area, we could still get a bit, go a bit higher. I communicated that this looks a little bit like a bullish flag. And yes, the market reacted to micro support, held it, and moved higher towards the next Fibonacci level at 77.5 cents. So bottom line is we have no confirmed top in place. But if a deeper pullback starts from here, and at some point it should happen, maybe we still push a little bit higher. I would prefer at least one more high to 82.6 to 91.8 cents. But if a deeper pullback starts, then a break below yesterday's low that formed here around 67 cents should confirm that a deeper pullback has started. In which case, support is this one, between 41 cents and 58 cents. So as long as we're holding above the 41 cent level overall, the upside reversal attempt that started in April is likely still unfolding. So that should give you the relevant support levels, key confirmation levels, but also the next upside targets. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.